Being creative and utilizing household items in multiple ways is a fantastic way to add flair and resourcefulness to your everyday life. Apparently, magazine holders aren't just for magazines. There are plenty of ways to organize with magazine holders. They come in different sizes and are often made of wood, cardboard, or metal. You can organize your scrapbooks, decorative papers, gift bags with these magazine holders. Keep your kitchen wraps contained with a magazine holder. You can even mount it inside of a cabinet to free up space. These magazine holders are quite sturdy. You can also use magazine holders to organize the pantry. They keep your vegetables organized and ventilated. You can also use these magazine holders to keep water bottles contained and within easy reach. If you're tired of your cutting boards constantly falling over, here's an easy fix. Just place them inside a magazine holder